Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Basavraddi English Medium School's online classes. How are you all? Doing well? Good. So, let's begin with our online classes today. In your previous class, that is in your 5th standard, you have studied most of things about food, how does it come, where, in little bit. But in your next, that is in your 6th standard class, you will study how, from where, what are the steps going on. It's a very simple and very easiest chapter. So let's begin then. First chapter, food. Where does it come from? So tell me, the food which you eat, where does it come from? Yes, it comes from plants. Those who eat non-veg, for them it comes from animals, correct? So let's understand in brief about it. So, food is a substance eaten by living beings to get energy. So, why do we eat food? If just imagine, if you don't eat food, what will be your condition? You will be able to walk few steps? No. That means you're not able to walk or do any kind of work if you don't have your food. Correct? So, that means we need food for energy. It is one of the basic necessity of the life. So if you want to live, it is the basic necessity. Food variety. Now you tell me, the food, the lunchbox which you get and the lunchbox that your friends get always will be the same? No, they would be different. Or if you are having a food item, a special, right? A special item of one place and a special item from the other place, they do differ, right? Yes, it is food variety. Different kind of food is taken by different people at different places. Food varies from place to place. Preparation of food involves. So now tell me, everybody loves idli dosa, right? But do you know how they are prepared? Correct? What all things are being added? So, preparation of food involves different ingredients. What are ingredients then? Ingredients are the materials needed to prepare food. So, that means ingredients are the materials. So, now if you want to prepare idli, what all is required? Rava, water. Correct? You should make the batter there. Then you cook them. Correct? So these are ingredients. Salt. These all are ingredients. Sambar. What all you need? You need dal, spices, oil, salt, water. Correct? So these all are your ingredients. That means your materials that are required to prepare that particular food there. Next. Example, rice and water are ingredients for boiled rice. So in this particular table you can see now dal, how is it prepared? Pulse of any kind, then you need salt, garlic, onion, oil and water. When it comes to rice, you need rice and water. Chapati, you have wheat and water. Omelette, you need eggs, onions, oil and salt. Pulao, very favorite, huh? Rice, you need rice there. Pulao ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? ಅನ್ನ ಬೇಕು. Then you have vegetables, oil, spices and water. So that means to prepare particular food type, you need these all ingredients. With the help of these all ingredients, this particular food item is prepared. Okay. Now let's go next. Food materials and sources. So now, from where do we get these food materials? The ingredients, whatever we are talking, from where does it come from? That we have to check, right? Some of the substances which can be eaten are called as edible parts. See, in case of plants, when it comes to plants, they have, we don't eat complete plant there. there are some of the parts which we do eat, or in case of animal also we do eat some of the eatable parts from them, that is called as edible part. The food mainly which we eat comes from two sources. Which are they? One is plant source and the other one is animal source. Which are the two sources? Plant source and animal source. When the Now let's go through the plant source as food. Plants are considered as the major source of food for human beings and animals. Now, plants. Now, let's go on listing. Chapati, wheat. Where does it come from? From, yes, plants. Rice, plants. Then we have fruits, plants. Okay. Spices, masali saman, plants. Correct. Then we have vegetables, plants, of course. Sugar that we eat, it comes from sugar cane, again plant. That means most of the food items that we take are majorly coming from the plant source. Therefore, all plants are producers. That's what? All plants are producers. Next, plants make their own food. Okay. Now, can we prepare our own food? No, we can't. But plants have the capacity to prepare their own food. Okay. They store the food in stem, root, seeds, and some special modifications of these organs. So now, if you have seen potato, right? What? Potato. It is the root part because potato grows under the ground. The plant is up, the potato is below the soil there. So it is a root system there, modified root system. So here are some of the lists. Please go through, let's go through them. Root. Which all are the plants, or you can say the parts which we eat come from which part of the plant? Okay. Now root. Which all we eat there? Carrot, radish, beetroot, sweet potato. These all come in root. Then stem part which we eat, sugar cane. Now, okay, potato comes in stem, sweet potato comes in root. Stem part, sugar cane, potato, ginger, onion. These are all of whatever we eat. These come from the stem part of this plant. Then leaf, spinach, cabbage, methi, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೊಪ್ಪಿನ ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳು comes from leaf. We eat, right? ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲೆ ತಿಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು. Okay. Then flower part, cauliflower, broccoli, and banana. Some of the people do prepare vegetable bhaji of banana flower. Okay, so that's why. Then fruits, banana, mango, guava, papaya, tomato. These all will come in fruits. We do eat them. Seeds, pulses, peanuts, almonds, walnuts, so on. Correct? So these all are the part of the plant which we take as food, which all will come in that. Here it is. Okay. All right. Let's go next further. Animal products. So in previously we studied about the plant products which we took as food for energy, plant source as food. Now next comes your animal product as food. Animals provide us with milk, or from milk we do prepare the milk, different products of the milk, meat products, and eggs. These are mainly your animal products. There is one more called as honey, jane tuppa, right? Honey is another animal product. Okay, we just thought only milk, meat products, and eggs are animal products. No, we do have even honey also. Honeybees collect nectar. Nectar means what? Sweet juice from flowers. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಕರಂದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಮಕರಂದವನ್ನ ಹೀರ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, so honeybees collect nectar from flowers, convert it into honey, and store it in their beehive. Beehive ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜೇನುಗೂಡು. ಇವೇನ್ ಜೇನುಗೂಡು ನೋಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, that is called as beehive. Beehive means Jane Good. Now, flowers and their nectars may be available only for a part of their year. That means, see, we don't have flowering season whole of the year, right? There are some plants which flower in particular seasons. So what these honeybees do is, they go to the particular flower, they suck the nectar there, and they come to their beehive and store it in there. This process goes on, okay, and they just store it there for time being. Then they convert it into honey, as we don't have all the flowers in all the season throughout the year. So whatever the stored nectar is there, that is more than enough for them to, for their throughout the year, for the production of honey. Okay, now here you can see some of the plant and animal products. See, in case of plant products, we have cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits. Correct? When it comes to animal products, we have milk, meat, eggs, and fish. Okay? Food for animals. So we human beings are also animals, right? So like humans, animals also cannot prepare own food and depend on plants or animals for food. So we cannot prepare our own food. Even the animals cannot prepare their own food. So where do we depend on? Right? We depend on plants. Okay. Now depending upon the habitat, they are divided into three types. That means basis of their food habitat, they have been divided into three types. Which are they? First one is herbivorous plants, herbivorous animals. What are herbivorous animals? These animals which eat only plant or plant products. Example, we have cow. Correct? Cow, goat, sheep. So they eat only plant or plant products. Next comes carnivorous. These are the animals which eat only their other animals. They eat only other animals as their food. Tiger, lion, cheetah, jaguar, fox. You have so many there, right? So many. So they are what? Carnivorous. Then comes omnivorous. Those animals which eat both plant product as well as animal as their food. Example, we human beings, right? We have chapati, rice from plant product. Then we take milk. Some of you have do eat eggs. So that is your animal products, right? Okay. Another example, two examples are your cat, dog, right? Okay. So this is what you have studied here. Now next, the last part of this particular chapter will come for as homework. See, you have to go through this chapter again at home. Okay, read them twice, understand it. Okay, then go for the homework. Here are these questions. Go through them, write them in your separate science notes. Okay, and get it to the school with your parents. Will correct it and give it to you back. Okay, okay. But see, this is your first chapter of 6th standard. It is very small and very short. Depending on this only, your next chapter comes. So understand this chapter completely and go. We'll go for your next chapter. All right. Thank you.